Quick interruption before this video begins, guys. Big thanks to Miller's Supply at Work. What is Miller's Supply at Work? So, they will transform your workspace with brands you could trust. Make it nice for you. That's what they do. They're awesome. First link in the description, go check them out. They sent me and my younger brother a Cummins t-shirt. Top quality stuff. A hydro flask. That's awesome. And a backpack. That's some top quality brand right there. Oh, Geo, that's good stuff. Okay, anyways, big thanks to them. Their business owner sent us all this stuff. Go check them out. First link in the description. Thank you. Miller's Supply at Work. So basically, I'm sure you guys have noticed that we're using only half the header. The reason of that is we want more swaths with less volume of hay per swath so it dries out faster. So that's the reason behind it. Okay, so this relic we're using right here is called a hay crimper. So it's basically two rollers, and then the rollers pick it up, obviously, and then the swath goes through it. It squishes some of the water out, and it fluffs up the swath so the wind can blow through it and dry it off faster. So that's what this is.